Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. This time, I want to share how to fix audio distortion, as in the beginning of the video. This problem often appears when stacking two audio files. But before we begin, please support this channel by pressing the subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. The main problem is the sound intensity is too high. To check it, we can see the waveform from the audio. Actually, it's not a problem if only one audio is playing. However, it will potentially cause distortion if stacked with other audio. There are two ways to overcome this problem. The first way is easy, but cannot work in all conditions. The first is to reduce the volume on the clip that has a high intensity. All we have to do is cut out the audio part that has a high intensity and lowers the volume. Yes, done. This method can be used for audio that only has a small part of high intensity. But it will be a problem if there are many parts of the audio that have high intensity, that we have to click hundreds of times to finish it. Therefore, I suggest the second way by using another open-source software, Audacity. The method is quite simple. We only need to open the target audio at Audacity and apply normalize. It will slightly reduce the audio quality, but this method is effective to relieve distortion issue. Click Ctrl+A. Then select the effect menu and click Normalize. I recommend choosing the value of -4 if most of the audio has high intensity, to be stacked with other audio. Then save the new audio file. And let's see the results on openshot. Alright, audio intensity has dropped to safe value, and is ready to be stacked with another audio. This is the end of the video. If you like it, please click the like button, leave a comment if there are suggestions, and subscribe to support this channel.